Imagine yourself being so excited and ready to make a donation to help someone in need. You hand over your hard-earned money, filled with the hope that it's going to change someone's life. Now ask yourself, do you know exactly where that money is going to? Will it make the impact you have envisioned? And what can we do to create a more transparent funding system which can guarantee accountability and inspire unwavering confidence when donating? Hello everyone, I'm Tiến, a freshman at the University of Architecture, Ho Chi Minh City, and today we're going to discover the importance of ensuring systems that are built on the bedrock of transparency. You see, transparency is not merely a buzzword. It is a fundamental principle that underpins the foundation of charitable acts. Without it, trust will erode. And you may know that when people are contributing their money to a cause, they're not only supporting a mission, they're investing in the future of their communities and shared values. With that being said, there are still many instances of misallocation or misuse of funds occurring every day without being noticed. And these instances not only hinder our progress, but also affect the reputation of honorable organizations who are working tirelessly for change. So, what can we do to stop this? First of all, we have to establish accessible and straightforward financial reports, which can provide stakeholders with insights into the fundraising efforts and expenditures. By breaking down budgets, we can clearly understand how funds are allocated, making it easier for everyone to understand and see the real impact. Well, with that being said, transparency is not only about financial reporting. It is also about, continuous dialogue, which means that organizations should provide donors and supporters updates about the projects that they're contributing to. This can take form of newsletters, social media updates, and also community meeting. And but here's the catch. In today's digital world, technology gives us many opportunities and many tools for transparency. We can adopt financial management tools, or even softwares, which can, track spendings and also help donors and supporters to understand the whole process with transparency. As we conclude, I invite you to reflect on this powerful truth. Every penny you choose to give is a seed planted in the soil of possibility. What future do you want that seed to grow into? It's up to you. It's your choice to step up and make a change. So let's nurture our future together with transparent giving. And remember, everything seems impossible until it's done. Thank you.